I'm Gemma from Concrete Gems. I'm just going to do a quick tutorial of the whip stitch. This is a great little stitch for joining pieces together like these granny squares. So I've already joined the majority. I'm just going to join this bit and show you how to do a whip stitch. So you need a needle, tapestry needle, and a length of yarn, and you're just going to weave in your yarn to get started. This stitch I like to do in only one of the loops only, and then you can see how it comes out, so you get that ridge and definition along the inside when you have finished. So we work with our right sides facing, so this is the front of my work here, and I put those two pieces together, and then you are always going to work in a forward direction, so going through your work, and then you come over the top. So I'm just going to do this middle bit, and then I'll show you. So we're going to work into the loop closest to me on this side and the loop furthest away on the other side. So you can see from the stitches here, just make sure it's lined up. So that is that loop closest to me, and then into that loop, so not that one furthest away. And you just keep going through those loops, round and round, until you've got to the end. Now you don't want to pull it too tight, because if you pull it tight, you'll end up crunching up your work like that. So make sure you keep it quite loose. So you can still see the loops there, but once it's done, obviously this is on the back of your work, and got a few joins there where it looks a bit funny, but it will all look good when it's finished. So yeah, that is a whip stitch, nice and easy, and a really quick way to join your work. So there you go, there's the join, nice and smooth, and looks really pretty. Thanks for watching.